What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out, gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Kiara here from My Digital Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 all-in-one digital business using Mind Lead Gen Secrets. Day 68, I believe. Now for that, we only using one account of Mind Lead Gen Secrets. Now the reason why I'm only using one account is because I want to try to emulate with people who are just starting with results be. You know what I mean? And I know most people are just going to start with one just to see if it'll work. That's how I was, and yeah, it works. Works pretty well. But yeah, I'm just trying to emulate with people who are just starting with Make. So if you were to click on it now, your numbers look something like this, maybe a little less, maybe a little more, something like that. Now most people, most affiliate marketers buy multiple accounts of My Lead Gen Secret, so they know it's a good way to get some cheap traffic. And so most people buy like 5 or 10 accounts, but we're gonna stick to one. But anyway, guys, before we get started, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. Links are in the description below if you want to follow along. And let's get started. All right, so first off, let's talk about the reason why I like promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business. Now, first off, I want to mention that it's a funnel builder that you're buying. You're buying essentially a very good funnel builder. They have no limitations to the funnel builder. Very easy to move stuff around in. Very easy. Very simple to do. And you have no limitations. Like you don't have. You can make as many pages you want. You can make as many domain names as you want. You can make as many websites as you want. In general, you have no limitations, right? You can connect as many domains as you want. It's very easy to make a subdomain. So on and so forth. So on and so forth. Okay, so the most popular funnel builder out right now is ClickFunnels, and it's $97 per month. This is $25, $97.25, and that $97 per month has a ton of limitations. You can only have a certain amount of people on the page. A certain amount of people can see your page. Can't have a certain amount of funnels. All kind of limitations. You only have a certain amount of domains, whatever, a certain amount of websites, so on and so forth. Keep going, and to destroy a lot of those limitations, you have to pay $300 per month, which is absolutely insanity. So that's why I like this product here. This product is much cheaper, you know what I mean, but no limitations. Now the second reason why I like promoting $25 all-in-one digital business, and I think the reason why most people are interested in promoting the $25 all-in-one business is because of its affiliate system. It's affiliate system and 80% recurring commissions. 80% recurring commissions is absolutely insane. That's insanity right there. There's nothing better than that. 80% recurring commissions, there's nothing better. You pretty much making all the money yourself. And there's no like, it's not an MLM where like people above you get paid if you don't pay and stuff like that. It's 80% all the way through, guys. So you can easily build your income when you put in the work. You have to put in the work to build the income, but it's easy. Like if you can't do it with this, you can't do it. Like it's just that simple. We're getting sales like this. This is a very simple method. So anyway, guys, let's get started here. So we're gonna look at our results. Looks like I didn't get a sale, but we're gonna refresh it real quick. Okay, it's been refreshed and I did not get a sale. Okay, guys. That's totally fine. That's totally fine. It happens. It's not a big deal. Usually around the beginning of the month, I usually don't get too many sales because none of my sales landed around that area, so I don't get resales or anything like that either. So it's perfectly normal. I'm hoping to change that this month though. Anyway, guys. So before I get started, make sure when you see a page and they're showing people results, make sure they refresh the page. If they don't refresh the page, they're not showing you real results. Just go with that mindset, because it's very easy to turn these numbers around and make them look like whatever. It's very simple to do. So make sure they refresh the page. When you refresh the page, show real results. All right, guys. Results, I'm actually getting paid. Okay, guys. And you know, it's funny because people on YouTube will usually show you like a still frame, and it'll show like some crazy number they making, ClickBank, thousands of dollars and stuff like that. It's very easy to change them numbers around. So if they don't refresh the page, they aren't showing you real results. Remember that. And you should be hesitant to people that show you a bunch of different ways to make money. Usually they kind of find one way, it works, and they stick to it. So if they showing you a bunch of different ways on how to make money, that's probably not a good way to go about it as well. I'm just trying to help you guys kind of save time when you're looking through the internet. Anyway, guys, I'm not saying those methods can't make you money. I'm just saying it's more than likely they're not making money doing it. So anyway, guys, so we're going to keep moving here. We're going to go on to my lead gen secrets here. We're going to do mailing system. We're going to select all leads, 200 leads, right? And we're at, well, let's see, money extra bit day, bit money extra day. So we're going to go with this one here. What we're going to do, we're going to pick the check marks there. I want to pick the check marks. But we're going to go with get up to 120 money per customer. Now we're going to change the wording around a little bit. Going to change the wording around a little bit. I want to change the wording, so that's what we're going to do here, guys. So what you want to do is go up here. Now what I like to go to Willbot right here. Change some wording. Expression. Okay, we just changed it around a little bit. You see that? Face. That's all I did there. Now we can hit perfect timing here. Now what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this. I just want to see what it'll do. Copy. I might not change it. I don't know. I just want to see what it'll do. Refresh it. See what it changes it to. Alright guys, we're gonna copy that. Okay, it looks different. Let me just paste some bold, underline, bold, underline, bold, underline. So yeah, we're just gonna change that up a little bit. We're gonna underline all the numbers here. Just switching it up a little bit, just changing it up a little bit. See if I get better results for people who had seen this email before and was like, I don't know. So we're gonna change it up a little bit just to kind of see if they'll be more interested. You know what I mean? Try to get more clicks. Anyway, guys, now we got our link right here. We can put our link in here if you want to, and you get your link. Let me show you where you get your link. You get your link from right here. All in one $25 business. Boom. Get your link from there. That's all it takes for that. Make sure to hit perfect timing. Perfect timing does send an email around time people check the emails. Make sure you preview and make sure your link works. I know mine works because I already done this email before, so it works, and you send the email, and that's all it takes, guys. It's really that simple, and it's easy to do, and it's about 5 minutes per day, guys, and you make money. You generate traffic, you make money. There's no reason not to do this, guys. All you gotta do is take the jump, do this, you'll start making money. When you get that first sale, it might take a minute because you have to build up your leads. See, I got a ton of leads now. You got to build up your leads, but other than that, get in there and just start doing this, you'll start making money like that, guys. Just realize that. Alright, guys? Alright, the links are in the description below. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.